Notre Dame and the experiences I've had so far is something I could have never fathomed before I came here.
Everyone's very welcoming, especially the upperclassmen. I get to build friendships with them even though I'm not in the same grade, especially through different clubs and activities.
The sixth grade atmosphere is one of cooperation. And it's also one of compassion and understanding. I find that the students get very comfortable with each other very quickly, and then that allows our classroom to be a place where academics can happen and where curiosity can thrive.
It feels like I can be myself no matter what day it is or no matter how I'm feeling. Everyone will just always include me, or if I'm having a bad day, they'll always comfort me no matter what.
We teach our girls that education is really their responsibility. Once they come to Notre Dame, all of this is their responsibility, and they grow into that, and they rise to the occasion all of the time. What we're always trying to prepare our students to be are critical thinkers and problem solvers, and I think that that's when our girls really do demonstrate that they've grown into this community and they've become a part of this community.
So we're laying the foundation now, we're laying the groundwork in the middle school that they can take with them when they get to the upper school.
They're not afraid to make mistakes because they know their mistakes are growth opportunities, and that allows the girls to really come into themselves.
I think it gives me that sense of responsibility, and I feel empowered by that, because when I leave the gates to go home and then when I come back, when I'm not at school, I get that sense of responsibility that I have when I'm in school.
Sixth graders get the opportunity to experience all the languages that we have to offer at Notre Dame: French, Latin, Mandarin, and Spanish. They take a quarter of each, they get a taste for the language, the culture, then they decide what they want to take in 7th and 8th grade when they can really kind of dig down and study. This world is very globalized, so you never know when you might need to communicate with someone whose first language isn't English.
A lot of what we do in the middle school social studies department is helping our students to have an understanding of their role in the world around them. When they get into the upper school, they have the opportunity to enroll in the Global Leadership Program, where they can engage in service activities around the world. They can engage in travel and education with some of our sister schools and in other countries. So in the middle school, we offer domestic programs for travel and for volunteer opportunities to conduct service. It just makes the world seem so attainable to them. To know that our school plays a part in bringing the world to them and making them good stewards and good citizens of the world is the most rewarding part.
One of the things that I like about our middle school program here is we don't just concentrate on the content and the classes. Something that we've built into some of our classes over the past couple of years is working on just science literacy in general. So we've started to pull apart science articles, know how to interpret the science articles, and they're going to be writing some of their own, which leads itself very easily into the big science fair research project that they all have to do in 8th grade. Here at Notre Dame, our curriculum is always adapting and changing to help better prepare the students, not only in high school and college, but life outside the gates.
I'm excited to see how many people I meet and the impact I'll have on them and they'll have on me.
The gift of middle school is allowing the girls the time and place to find their passion and find their voice.